Alright guys, this is News Listener. Thank you po sa mga manonood at pag-usapan naman natin yung Senate resolution na ginawa ni Senator Alan Cayetano, ang Ambassador of Jesus Christ. Kung natatandaan nyo, yun ang sinabi niya last time eh. Okay, na kung saan gusto niyang pauwiin si Rodrigo Duterte pabalik sa bansa at i-house arrest na lang. So, ang mangyayari, ang gobyerno makikipag dialogo sa ICC para ibalik or let's just say pabalik sa Pilipinas instead doon sa ICC. Sa tingin nyo, papayagan ba to ng ICC? Nasa kanila na yung jurisdiction ni Rodrigo Duterte, right? So let's see. Let's watch a video from Inquirer. Okay, so let's listen.
Resolution pushing for the interim release and grant of house arrest to former President Rodrigo Duterte in a Philippine embassy has been filed in the Senate. In his unnumbered resolution, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
Okay, kung hindi naman natin ikakaila na itong si 10K man, Senator Alan Cayetano, Maka Duterte to, di ba? Naging Vice President niya noong 2016 election. Tapos, naging defender niya nung nasa Senate hearing ng Blue Ribbon Committee, di ba? At the same time, siya pa yung nag-initiate na i-remand, ibalik yung articles of impeachment laban kay Sara Duterte. So, di ba, ang galing. Yung Senator gumawa ng resolution, para sa akin, hindi na to ibabalik sa sa Pilipinas. Malabong-malabo. Diba? Okay, nasa kanila na eh. Let's listen more.
Cayetano is calling on the Philippine government to advocate before the International Criminal Court the interim release of Duterte. He proposes that the former chief executive be placed under a form of house arrest while awaiting trial. Based on his resolution, Cayetano says granting interim release for the former president would be beneficial to his health, all while presenting no risk to the integrity of the ongoing trial.
Okay, wait. Meron tayong dito eh. Sabi niya, to grant this for the former president would beneficial to his health. Di ba mas mabuti na nandun si Rodrigo Duterte? Kung pag-uusapan yung kanyang kalusugan, okay naman dun siya eh. Meron siyang allowance, pwede siyang mag-grocery, magluto para sa kanyang sarili, meron siyang daily activity, di ba? Hindi naman pinapabayaan ng ICC yung kalusugan ni Rodrigo Duterte. Everyone knows, nagsabi yung mga Duterte na butot balat na yung tao. So kayo, maniniwala kayo doon? 'Di ba? Ayan, labo eh. Ito yung labo ng mga ginagawa nila. Okay, let's listen more.
The ICC currently has custody of former President Duterte after he was arrested and sent to The Hague, Netherlands for crimes against humanity he allegedly committed during his administration's war against drugs. The resolution details Cayetano's proposal, which seeks an arrangement with the ICC for Duterte's custody to be transferred to the premises of the Philippine Embassy in The Hague, Netherlands, under a form of house arrest, modified house arrest, or any appropriate arrangement
House arrest, modified house arrest.
deemed suitable by the court.
Yun. So, parang parang negotiation kung anong house arrest ibibigay sa kanya, 'di ba?
According to Cayetano, these arrangements would be subject to any conditions that may be imposed by the pretrial chamber, such as restrictions of movement, staying
Okay.
at a particular address, prohibition of contact with victims or witnesses, and compliance with summons. In his appeal, the senator cites Duterte's deteriorating health attributed to old age and prolonged isolation, warning that continued detention may severely impact his emotional and physical well-being.
Physical and emotional. Baka baka yung kanyang kalusugan ay mag-worse kasi sa kondisyon na nandun siya. Okay. Kung binalik mo siya sa Pilipinas, ano mangyayari? So, ang mangyayari dyan, gulo. Di ba? Kasi, yung mga Sabihan na natin mga supporters niya. So, do you think hindi nila 'to malalaman pag inuwi si Rodrigo Duterte, 'di ba? Malaking gulong mangyayari kung ibabalik nila sa Pilipinas 'to. At mas mabuti nandun siya. Eh, imagine, hihingi ka ng magse-Senate resolution ka para ibalik sa Pilipinas tapos yung yung, yung ginawa ng boss mo na i-withdraw ang Pilipinas sa ICC. Sa tingin mo ibabalik pa ng ICC sa jurisdiction or i-house arrest pabalik sa bansa? So, do you think mangyayari 'yon? Ang labo siguro, 'di ba? Kasi, kita naman natin yung ginawa niya, yung mga supporters ng, mga Duterte naharas yung mga judge. Dini-discredit sila kasi daw sa pag-take care, 'di ba? O minumura pa sila bago i-transfer 'tong si Rodrigo, 'di ba? Bago siya arestuhin, minumura, binabantaan ang buhay nila, eh. So imagine, bibigyan siya ng house arrest pabalik sa Pilipinas? I'm sure hindi yan mangyayari, 'di ba? Okay, so I hope ano na lang 'to, eh, parang ginagawa nila 'to, drama na lang, ito, eh, mga senador ng mga maka-Duterte, 'di ba? Yun wala ding mangyayari, eh. Kahit ano pang gawin ng Pilipinas, siguro kung sino man ang presidente, hindi na nila maibabalik 'tong si Rodrigo sa bansa. Yun. Okay, guys, thank you for listening. And if you have any questions or any comments, suggestion, you can type that in. And I'll see you again. Salamat po. And bye for now.